Elephants, the largest and most majestic land animals on Earth. And in Thailand, they are omnipresent and a huge part of their culture. Throughout the country, elephants are featured prominently in temples, celebrations, art, sculptures, and are a symbol of strength, wisdom, and protection. And speaking of art, these colorful hand-painted elephants are truly treasures of Thailand. Not only are they beautiful artistic creations, but they also represent a deep love for the most revered animal in the Kingdom of Thailand. This is craftsmanship at its finest. Gazing into their intricate patterns and detailed designs will evoke a profound sense of joy and wonder. Meet the royal elephants, representing generations of family heritage art. There is only one family in northern Thailand who makes them, just as they made them for royalty in years gone by. Look closely, as each one is unique and each one is an exquisite treasure. They start out as a solid piece of mango wood and then are carved by hand by artisans. Then they are given 3 coats of black lacquer made from local rubber trees, and then the gold leaf is applied. Yes, real gold. The same kind that is used in many temples throughout Thailand. And finally, the long and arduous task of painting the intricate details of the design, transforming each elephant into a masterpiece. A picture may be worth 1,000 words, but seeing one of these royal painted elephants up close and personal will leave you speechless. Thank you for watching.